Also, it is prepared from alcohols by the action of hydrogen halides. Hydrogen halides can be anything like HX, where X can be fluorine, chlorine, bromine or iodine, or by the action of phosphorus halides. We will see it can be PCl3, PCl5, or by the action of thionyl chloride. So let's see one by one. By the action of hydrogen halides, alcohols are converted to alkyl halides. By using this hydrogen halides, HX, and in presence of zinc chloride. The mechanism of preparation of haloalkanes by alcohols go via different mechanism. So here, if it is primary alcohol, then it will undergo SN2 mechanism. By SN2 we mean where S stands for substitution, N stands for nucleophilic, and 2 stands for bimolecular. That means in the case of SN2 mechanism, in the rate determining step, 2 molecules will be involved. However, in the case of secondary alcohol, it will follow SN1 mechanism. That means substitution nucleophilic unimolecular. Nucleophilic unimolecular. Now both secondary and tertiary alcohol follow SN1 mechanism. We will discuss these in detail. So now the question is, what is the order of hydrogen halides for this reaction? So the reactivity order follows: hydrogen iodide is more reactive than hydrogen bromide, then hydrogen chloride. The Lucas reagent is anhydrous zinc chloride in concentrated hydrochloric acid. So if we are having primary alcohol, it is found that there is no reaction. If we are having secondary, then white cloudiness or the turbidity in just 5 minutes are observed. When we are having tertiary alcohol, white cloudiness and turbidity appears immediately, or we can say instantly. So by this way, using this Lucas reagent, we can distinguish primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols. By the action of phosphorus halides, so PCl3 and the PCl5 are used to halogenation of alcohols. So here we are having alcohol, and if we are using PCl5, phosphorus pentachloride, then we obtain this alkyl halides. And if we have taken 3 moles of alcohols in the presence of PCl3, then also we will be getting alkyl halides. If we are having diol, that is 2 alcohols there, 2 alcohols present in a compound, then in presence of PCl5, this dihaloalkanes we will be obtaining. By the action of thionyl chloride, formula of thionyl chloride is SOCl2. This procedure is also known as Darjan's procedure. So in this we have 1 mole of alcohol and 1 mole of thionyl chloride. Alcohol and thionyl chloride are taken in the ratio of 1:1, 1:1, and in presence of pyridine as a solvent, which is also taken as 1, we obtain alkyl halide along with the liberation of sulfur dioxide and HCl. Now let's see the mechanism action of this thionyl chloride. Now let us see the mechanism action of thionyl chloride. When chiral secondary alcohols are subjected for the reaction with thionyl chloride, either inversion or retention of configuration takes place. Now this inversion and retention, we will see what are these. So in the presence of base like pyridine, inversion of configuration takes place. And when pyridine is used as solvent, the intermediate chlorosulfite ester reacts with it to form pyridinium salt. And this salt undergoes SN2 mechanism, resulting into inversion. So this is the mechanism. We have this secondary alcohol here. And when we have this thionyl chloride, so here the lone pair of oxygen attacks this sulfur, and this bond will be shifted towards oxygen. As a result, we will be having negative charge on this oxygen, and it will come back, and this one of the chlorine will be lost. So Cl minus is lost. Now this is what we call chlorosulfite complex. Now this chlorine which was lost at this position will now attack in the opposite side of this. So here we have this at above the plane, and this will attack from below the plane. Since it has attacked below the plane, therefore here we can see that this OH is above the plane. However, this Cl is below the plane, which is denoted by dotted line. Hence, we can say that here inversion of configuration has taken place. In ether and other solvents also, the intermediate chlorosulfite undergoes the retention of configuration due to SN1 mechanism, that is nucleophilic substitution unimolecular.